In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the top losers on CoinGecko using a web browser. Head over to CoinGecko.com. Just like finding the top gainers, hover over the cryptocurrencies tab at the top of your screen. Click on Gainers and Losers. By default, it will show you the top gainers. But don't worry, the Losers tab is right there waiting for you. Click on the Losers tab to sort the list. You'll see the tokens that have dropped the most in price over the last 24 hours. Again, pay close attention to the 24-hour volume. Sometimes a token appears on the top losers list simply because it has very low liquidity. A single sell order for a few $100s can tank the price of a low-volume token, making it look like a massive crash when it's just a lack of buyers. To learn more about a specific cryptocurrency, click on its name. This will open the coin's dedicated page, where you can view additional details such as price charts, trading volume, market statistics, historical performance, and other relevant information. You can also use available filters and sorting tools to narrow down the list and focus on specific market segments if needed. Because cryptocurrency prices change frequently, the list of top losers can update throughout the day. Refresh the page whenever you want to view the latest rankings and market movements. And that's how to find the top losers on CoinGecko using a web browser. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.